Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook page and prevent people from leaving reviews, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to disable reviews on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. This will take you straight to your Facebook page. Now, look for the About section. You'll typically find this in the left-hand menu or near the top of your page, depending on the layout. Click on About to continue. Once you're in the About section, scroll down until you see the Rate option. This is where Facebook displays the reviews and ratings for your page. Next to the Rate label, you'll notice a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this edit icon to access the review settings. A new window will pop up with the option to allow or prevent reviews on your page. Find the toggle or checkbox labeled Allow Reviews on your page. To disable reviews, simply uncheck this box or switch the toggle off. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save. This will apply the changes and instantly prevent anyone from leaving new reviews on your page. Existing reviews may still be visible, but no new ones can be added. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've taken control of your Facebook page's review section. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and enable reviews again by following the same process. Thanks for watching.